Finding a CRM that actually works with you rather than making things complicated for you is a big challenge when you're just starting out a business. You need something that keeps your contacts organized without feeling like a second job. Today, we're looking at two reliable CRM software that approach this in completely different ways: Odoo and Capsule. No matter if you want a platform that scales into a full business suite or a clean, focused tool that stays out of your way, both Odoo and Capsule are capable enough. So let's figure out which one is better for your startup. Starting off with the actual experience of moving through these tools, Odoo takes an approach that feels instantly familiar if you've spent any time on a smartphone. When you first log in, you aren't greeted by a messy sidebar or hidden menus. Instead, Odoo uses individually labeled widgets right on the homepage. Each icon represents a specific function like sales, contacts, or inventory, making it incredibly easy to jump exactly where you need to be without a second thought. Once you're inside a module, the design stays consistent and clean. It focuses heavily on visual hierarchy, meaning the buttons you need most are always the easiest to find. It's built for functionality first, and that lack of distraction is a huge plus when you're trying to move fast. On the other hand, Capsule takes simplicity and turns it into an art form. While Odoo feels like an expansive workspace, Capsule feels like a high-end digital version of a traditional office setup. The interface is famously calm. There's a lot of white space and a very shallow learning curve, which is perfect if you don't have a dedicated IT person to set things up. Everything in Capsule is centered around a search bar and a few key tabs like people, organizations, and opportunities. It's the kind of software where you can invite a new team member in the morning and they'll be fully productive by lunch without needing a single tutorial video. It doesn't try to be everything at once, it just tries to be the easiest place to store your professional relationships. Moving into the core of how you'll actually manage your day-to-day, Capsule really leans into its identity as a smart address book. When you pull up a contact in Capsule, it gives you a clean 360-degree view of everything related to that person or organization. You get their social media profiles, full communication history, and any notes or files tucked away in one spot. It even has a handy contact enrichment feature on higher plans that automatically pulls in public data like job titles and LinkedIn profiles, which saves you a ton of manual data entry. It's built for folks who want a traditional, easy-to-read Rolodex that actually talks back to them. Moving along to how you actually track the money, Capsule handles leads and deals with a very straightforward opportunities section. Every deal has its own page where you can track the projected value, the expected close date, and the probability of winning. It's very intuitive. You just click Add Opportunity from a contact's profile, and you're off to the races. For a small team, this keeps things focused. You aren't distracted by extra bells and whistles. You just see the deal, what it's worth, and what needs to happen next. In contrast, managing contacts in Odoo starts with a clean interface showing you the basics: name, email, and phone number. But if you hit the button on the right, the view expands significantly. That's where you'll see advanced fields like tax ID, specific salesperson assignments, and custom tags. Odoo doesn't just store names, it connects them to the rest of your business ecosystem. For leads and deals, Odoo uses a leads to opportunities workflow. You can set it up so that every incoming email or website form entry lands in a leads bucket first. From there, you can qualify them with a single click, turning them into a formal opportunity in your pipeline. This separation is great for startups that get a lot of noise and only want their sales team focused on the high-value conversations. To keep the momentum going, let's talk about the visual side of your sales process. Capsule offers a beautiful, out-of-the-box Kanban board that most sales teams will find instantly familiar. You can drag and drop deals between stages like qualified, proposal sent, and negotiation. It's very snappy and doesn't require any setup. If you're a visual person who just wants to see where your money is sitting, Capsule's pipeline is one of the cleanest in the game. It's designed to be used by anyone, even if they've never touched a CRM before, which makes onboarding new hires a breeze. The simplicity here is its strength. You get a clear look at your stale opportunities that haven't moved in a while, helping you focus your energy where it's needed most. Taking a step toward more customization, Odoo's sales pipeline system is structured to give you full control and visibility into your sales operations. By default, it includes predefined stages like new, qualified, proposition, and won, but you're not stuck with just those. You're free to add, rename, or reorganize stages to reflect your actual sales process more accurately. Inside the pipeline, each opportunity gets an AI-generated probability score. This isn't just a number, it's based on past data and behavior patterns to give you a calculated prediction of whether a deal will close. If you change a deal's stage or update its value, the AI recalculates that probability in real time, giving you a much more scientific way to look at your future revenue. Transitioning over to the data side of things, Capsule provides a very solid set of standard reports. You get a dashboard that shows your pipeline forecast, conversion rates, and win-loss ratios. It's very easy to read and tells you exactly what you need to know to run your weekly sales meeting. You won't find highly complex custom reporting engines here, but the data is accurate and presented clearly. For most small businesses, knowing your sales by milestone or leads by source is plenty, and Capsule delivers that without making you hunt for it. It's about giving you the big picture facts without the big data headache. When you need a more granular look, Odoo's reporting engine is built for the data enthusiast. It offers a pivot table-style interface where you can slice and dice your sales data by any variable: salesperson, region, product category, or even the time of day a lead was created. You can create custom dashboards that combine your CRM data with other parts of your business, like your actual invoiced revenue or marketing spend. If you're the kind of founder who wants to see the exact ROI of every campaign down to the penny, Odoo gives you the tools to build those reports. So, if you want a CRM that's plug and play and focuses entirely on relationships, you should pick Capsule. But if you're looking for an AI-driven system that scales into a full ERP, Odoo is the way to go. Check out the links in the description to start a free trial of either. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more CRM insights like this.